Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Years ago, I refined this map where it's just lines that won't cut out but one time. Now, I've never cut it out because it's probably going to be all over the map as far as cut order. And it comes with Alaska and Hawaii, and I think I've moved the states or the islands around to make them fit into a, different, but it comes with, but it's correct. From what I can tell, it's really good. Now, and I'll share this and I'll put my email at the bottom of the address. I did this years ago, and I think I've asked if people wanted it. And then somebody, 3 weeks ago, asked if I still had it, and I found it. But if you wanted any state to cut out, all you have to do is smart fill like Texas and move it over here and left click, right click, and you've got the shape of Texas. And that's any state. I mean, Montana, Florida, California, Washington, Oregon. If you need one of those states, you could fill it in. And now that I'm thinking about it, if you wanted to cut out all the states, you'd set your nudge factor on bigger than this map is. It's huge. I've got it set on 50 inches. And if you wanted to cut it out, all you'd have to do is do this, and you could probably be better to do different colors. But one thing you can do with a map like this, and I picked Texas because I'm in Texas, you could have the map and look like Texas is proud of the paper of the map because it just has a background of Texas. And that's I'm going to show how to do that because there's several ways. But what I'm going to do is let me move Hawaii. And so before I forget again, this will be at the bottom of my email bottom of the video will be my email. So I just made a gray box. I'm going to go, you know what? I'm not going to do that. I'm going to actually smart fill a gray box this time. I just want to, well, it doesn't matter what I fill it up this time, but then I'm going to move that over and I'm going to fill this in. So this video will be a little bit educational plus a free map. Then fill that in, move it over, go up to object, order, back a page, and you have the map with Texas in it. And then I'm going to highlight Texas in it just because that's my state. And then change your nudge factor like 1/4 of an inch. And let's make it a little bit darker gray. And then up and over, just kind of get it off the other piece of paper, and then take the smart fill tool set on black and fill in the other parts. Now, when I send you the map, it won't have this. It'll just be that blank map. And you could go all the way around, do the whole thing. And it looks like it's coming up off the map, if you wanted to do that. But anyway, once again, I'll have my email at the bottom. And not only, if you have any question on how to do something in Corel, that's a good way to get a hold of me off that email address, and I'll help you if I can. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.